Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use UPBASE for newsroom management. Our first step is to create an account. Visit the UPBASE website, click on Sign Up, and enter your details. This is the starting point for your newsroom management journey. Now that we've done that, let's move on to setting up your newsroom. In the UPBASE dashboard, select Create Newsroom. Here, input your newsroom's name, description, and other relevant details. This step establishes your unique newsroom space within UPBASE, allowing you to manage all the content and team members of your newsroom. Next up, add your team members. Click on Team Members and start adding the email addresses of your team. This helps us because UPBASE is all about collaboration and team management. Having all your team members in one place aids in efficient communication and task assignment. The reason we do this is to ensure everyone can contribute to the newsroom and be up to date with all ongoing activities. After you've added all your team members, assign them roles. UPBASE allows you to set varied roles for your team members, like editors, writers, or managers, ensuring smooth workflow. Let me explain why this matters. The role assignment feature of UPBASE allows you to delegate specific tasks to your team members according to their expertise, making the newsroom management process more efficient. Now, let's move on to creating and assigning tasks. Click on Create Task, specify the task details, and assign it to the appropriate team member. This helps us because it enables us to track the progress of each task and ensure every task is completed on time. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The task management feature in UPBASE allows you to streamline your workflow by tracking deadlines, task status, and who is responsible for what. It saves time and ensures everyone is on the same page. Lastly, let's look at publishing. Once the tasks are completed and the content is ready, go to Publish. Here, you can review your content, make any last-minute changes, and finally, click Publish. This is your final step in managing your newsroom using UPBASE, getting your content out there for the world to see. And that's how you use UPBASE for newsroom management. We've covered creating an account, setting up your newsroom, adding team members, creating and assigning tasks, and finally, publishing. Remember, efficient newsroom management is all about organization and collaboration, and UPBASE is a great tool to facilitate this. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to stay organized and stay efficient with UPBASE. Until next time.